Hey, what's up everyone? It's Derek here and I am creating this video here and I want to show you this awesome Chrome extension. It's called Awesome Screenshot Screen Video Recorder. So it does primarily two things. Screenshot your screen, basically taking a picture of it, or it can do a video recording of your screen. So it's pretty awesome, and you can see here I'm using it right now. It's a pretty wide screen and it shows a lot of the background, and it's pretty clear as well. So let's run through it and see a sample of it. Actually, I can't really see an example of this because I'm using it. But just going through here, you can see it has a lot of positive reviews, over 1 million users, and it works great. I guess I have to cut this and use another video recorder to do this. Let's pause. What is up everyone, it's Derek, and I just took a pause and I had to switch over to another video recording software to do it, because I realized, hey, if I'm using the software that I'm reviewing, I can't really access all its tools. So anyways, I'm using Loom right now. It's another one, and I'll do another review on this software as well. But let's talk about Awesome Screenshot, the screen video recorder one. You can see here on the top, I'm gonna click on it. And after you install it from the Chrome Web Store right here, it's pretty simple to use. It's free. There's options to upgrade it to the Pro version if you want to record longer time, longer videos and whatnot. But let's look at it here. For the record button or record option, you have desktop or just this tab, or you can even do just you as a camera if you want to just talk about a certain topic, just so your viewers can look at you. You can save it at the cloud or local. Usually I just do local because it's pretty good enough for 5 minutes per video. Cloud, you'd have to upgrade for unlimited access, and it's pretty typical in terms of using your audio, your mic, your camera, and you can record the tap sounds as well. So yeah, the screenshot here, you can capture the entire page, or even parts of it too. So if we were to capture, so let's test that, capture desktop. This is the entire desktop. Then you can just click and then just share. And then it's going to open up a window where you can edit. So this is a pretty neat part of it, where after you take the screenshot, you can edit it right here before you actually save it as a PNG or JPG file, right? And you can even highlight it if you were to take a picture of something and send it to your team or send it to somebody and you want to emphasize certain details. Like I could click here. What's this? For the tool itself, and you can't really see it because it's so yellow here. I could change the color here to green, right? Maybe I want send this to my team member and saying, oh, click on the top left, and I circled it right here, right? Move here, and then I could even do arrows too. Oh, click here just for instructions as well. So this is an essential part of screenshotting tools and giving instructions to whomever you plan to give it to, this picture. And after you're done with this, you can click done. But it's amazing how much features there are, and you can even crop it even after you screenshot it, just so you can do a certain portion. So it's like after you take the screenshot, it's not like it's a done deal. You can still crop it even more, and that's the awesome thing as well. Let's see. Yeah, or you can trash it. You can click done right here, and from here you can download it as an image, or you could even move this out of the way, print it, or do a PDF file, or just copy. If you just copy and you can paste this somewhere, let me just do let's see, paint, for example, and I'm going to press Control V. Just paste it right there. It's easy. Or you can post it into your Messenger or wherever you're planning to do it, blogs or whatnot. So that's pretty awesome, actually. And right here, there are other options for you to collaborate with team members. You can put it on Slack, Asana, Trello. I use Trello to really communicate this with my team, and it's really popular. If you haven't checked it out, you should look for one of my videos. I'll post it down below about that, because all my videos I review technology that I use, technology and softwares that I use, just to show you what it's like. GitHub, I don't use that. I use different another one, and Java, I don't know what that is. Save it to cloud storage. Yeah. So typically when I do this, I just save it to local storage. I don't save it to cloud unless I start giving it to my team to edit it for me, anyways. But anyways, you could do this. Just copy it and wait. I already did that. Paint it. So that's for the screenshot feature. Let's do the video recording. The record shot. So you could do desktop or the tab. Obviously, I can't record right now because I am recording. I can't use the awesome screenshot extension to record because I'm recording. But just to let you know, it's like this. And yeah, try it out. I'll put the link down below. You just download it from the Chrome Web Store. Use Google Chrome browser, and you're off to go. All right. Let me know how it goes, and leave a comment. Subscribe if you're interested, and let me know what other software videos you want to see as a review. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.